Hello, welcome. My name is Chi. As a new YouTuber, I always find myself obsessing over my subscribers, and I had to find out how to see who subscribed and who didn't subscribe. So I am going to quickly show you how to find out your subscribers, to see who your subscribers are on your mobile phone. This cannot be done using the YouTube mobile app, so you have to use like a browser. Any browser that you use will be fine. Let's get right into the video.
To start, the first thing you want to do is open up your browser. I am using Google Chrome. So go to your search and type in www.youtube.com. If you are not signed in already, then you have to sign into your account. Once that opens up, you click on those three dots at the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and select check the box desktop site. Once it comes up on the desktop version, it will give you access to what we need to work with. Click on your profile picture, select YouTube Studio. Once you get to Studio, on the lower right hand side, you will see recent subscribers. Click on see more. This will bring up your list of subscribers. You can select the time frame when you want to see people that are subscribed to you. So you can select it from 7 days ago, 28 days, 90 days, lifetime. You can also sort your subscribers by the number of subscribers they have or the date at which they subscribed to your channel. So doing this can give you it will narrow down the options you have in tracing whatever you are looking for. So with this, you can see, I think it is by default set to show you 10 people at a time, 10 subscribers at a time. But when you move down, you can set it to up to 50. So you can scroll down. I kept on scrolling down and I noticed that once I got to 151 to 200, the list ended there. So I don't know if you can see subscribers beyond the last 200 people that subscribed to you, but as you can see from here, once it got to 151 to 200, I couldn't go further. You might be able to, I don't know why, I can only see that. And as it is now, I have about 800 subscribers, but I cannot see. Okay, also have in mind that you can only see people who have made their subscriptions to be public. There are, I think by default, your subscribers count or your subscription is not supposed to be public unless you set it that way. So most people who do not really look into YouTube do not have their subscriptions on public except you set it that way. By default, it is not on public. So that might be a reason why you will not see some people's name here, because they didn't change that setting to make their subscriptions public.
I make videos on femininity, lifestyle, hairstyling, and YouTube tips and tricks like this video. If you are interested in any of this, please do well to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you will be informed every single time I upload a new video. Thank you for stopping by. See you around.